Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable your phone hotspot and note its SSID and password so you can enter them later. Once done, power the extender and place it close to the phone to ensure a strong signal during setup. Make sure the extender is reset if it had prior settings. That avoids conflicts. Now access the extender's setup interface, either the mobile app or the web page, so you can begin the configuration process immediately. Once connected to the extender's setup network, open its app or web interface and choose the mode that links to another Wi-Fi source, usually repeater, client, or wireless bridge. Then scan for nearby networks and select your phone's hotspot SSID. Enter the hotspot password exactly, because one wrong character stops the join. Apply the settings and watch the extender attempt to associate. This is where LED indicators change to show a successful wireless link or an error. After the extender reports a successful connection, move it to the final spot that still receives a solid hotspot signal. Use the LEDs as a guide and aim for mid to high strength. Then reconnect your devices to the extender's SSID or the network name you assigned so they use the extended link. If things fail, power cycle the phone and extender, confirm the phone allows multiple clients, and re-enter the hotspot password. These quick checks resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.